So let me open Python 3 console, then try to import NumPy. So you can see that NumPy is not installed in this system. So I went to this pypy.org project NumPy. So there you can see the wheel file for NumPy. So I just downloaded this one. Uh, so you can see I just downloaded this wheel file to install NumPy. So let me try to install that file using pip3 command. Pip3 install, then this wheel file. See, here I am getting error is not supported wheel for this platform, because here I am using pip3 and so I am using Python 3.7. okay, but if you check this wheel file, actually this wheel file is for Python 2.7. so you have to check this number CP27. CP27 means it is for Python 2.7. 3 CP34 means this is for Python 3.4. CP37 means this is for Python 3.7. So I have to use this wheel file. So if I use another wheel file, I will get this type of error. Actually, from this PyPy site, you can download the correct wheel file. So here you can see CP27. Then if you scroll down, 3.4 is there. Then 3.5 is there. Then 3.6 is there. Then 3.7. Actually, I need this file. Okay, so I am going to download it. Today I already downloaded this file. So this is a file. So let me install this wheel file. Copy it. Pip3 install. Then so you can see now it's working. It's installed. Now let me go to Python 3 console. Then do import NumPy. See, it's working. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.